Hi guys, welcome back to your favorite channel Lilith Kazan. In today's tutorial, we're going to talk about a full body banded workout that you can easily do at home. The first exercise is single arm back rows from high to low. The opposite knee will come up. If you're grabbing it with the right hand, the left knee will be up for the balance reasons. And same on the other side. Keep your chest up and pull the band with the elbow close to your body, exhaling. Pinch your shoulder blades as tight as you can. Exhale when you pull. You can also add pause in anywhere from 5 to 20 seconds and then keep rowing. Make sure you don't twist your body. Stay stable. Same single arm banded wide rows where your elbow comes out to the side. Elbow is on the same level as your shoulder. Keep your core braced. Do not twist your body. Stay tight. Keep your chest up. Exhale when you pull the band. Make sure you keep your elbow to your shoulder level parallel to the floor. You may add some pausing as well, anywhere from 20 to 30 reps. Also, there are different types of bands. This is a red band that adds 30-pound tension. You can go up to the blue one, that's 60-pound tension. You may challenge yourself up to a 120-pound band if you have one, or you may purchase them online as well. Another great exercise, single arm banded rows as well, but with both knees on the floor for more core engagement. You really have to brace your core. You cannot twist your body. Pinch your shoulder blades, keep your elbow as close to your body as you can, and exhale when you pull. You may add pausing as well, anywhere from 20 to 30 reps on each side. You may also add pausing every 5th rep for 5 to 10 seconds. This clip shows how you do not want to perform this exercise. Do not swing your body, don't twist, don't loosen your shoulders, don't elevate your shoulders. This is wrong. Another great variation of back rows, single arm banded row with a band attached at your chest level. You want to perform it with a slight squat, which is going to help you burn your quads as well and feel activation in your legs. You may perform single arm banded row with the elbow close to your body, or wide rows with the elbow high up parallel to the floor, just the same way how you did it previously with the low rows or high rows. You may also perform the same exercise with both arms. Instead of single arm, pinch your shoulder blades, keep your chest up, exhale when you pull. Add some pausing anywhere from 5 to 20 seconds every 5th rep and keep going. You also may challenge yourself with a heavier band, blue band, green band, anywhere up to 120 pounds. Another great variation of banded rows, when you attach the band from the bottom and you pull it to the top. Pinch your shoulder blades, keep your chest up, lean forward slightly, exhale when you pull. You may also perform a high pull row or a wide row in the same position. Lean forward, keep your knees softened, exhale every time you pull your elbows up. Pinch your shoulder blades as tight as you can, keep your chest up. Let's move on to core workout. Step on top of the band and pull the band to the opposite direction, exhaling and stretching out your oblique muscles, squeezing obliques on the left while you pull in the band from the right. Same on the other side. Depending on how much you want to challenge yourself, you'll step on the band either wider or narrow. If you want to step wider, then it's going to be a little bit harder. Another great exercise is banded standing abductors. Step inside of your band with both feet and bring the band up high up to your chest level, your chin level, and lift your legs sideways, alternating, exhaling with every single rep. Great exercise for your core, banded wood choppers. Make sure you attach the band at your chest level, keep your arms straight, tuck your butt in, slightly round your back, and pull to the side, exhale. You may also challenge yourself and hold the band in front of you anywhere from 15 to 60 seconds. Great core activation. Another variation of wood choppers, banded low to high. Make sure you keep your arms straight, exhale every time you pull, tuck your butt in, and slightly round your back. Banded push-up is one of my favorite exercises. The band goes across your back, exhale on top, tuck your elbows in, keep your spine neutral. Lock your arms all the way to the top. Banded chest flies, laying down on the floor. You may keep your legs straight or bend your knees. Soften your elbows. Open your arms to the side. Keep your elbows soft. Inhale when you open your arms, stretch your pecs, and then exhale when you squeeze your arms up together. Squeeze your pecs on top. You may also superset it with banded floor press. Same position, legs either straight or bent. Make sure you angle your elbows. Make sure you don't keep your elbows on the same level as your shoulders to protect your shoulders. With every rep, triceps touch the floor. And then exhale when you press your arms up with the bands holding in your hands and squeeze your pecs on top. You may also challenge yourself and add a hip thrust hold while you're performing the same exercise. Nothing changes, but bring your hips up as high as you can, squeeze your glutes, push your knees out, and don't let loose your glutes. Keep them tight as much as you can. Same with chest flies. Nothing changes, the form stays the same, but bring your hips up as high as you can and squeeze them as tight as you can, activating them. Another great exercise, standing bended adductors. Attach the band and put your foot inside of the band. Bring your leg in front of you, exhaling, and squeeze your adductors. If you do trust your balance and you want to challenge yourself, do not hold on to anything. If you're not there yet, hold on to a chair or anything you have at your hand until your core gets stronger. The same concept with standing bended abductors. Attach the band, put your foot inside of the band, and lift your leg out sideways as much as you can, exhaling on top. Glutes kickbacks is the next exercise. Put your foot inside of the band, lean forward slightly, hold on to something, bend your knee, kick your leg back as high as you can, squeeze your glutes on top, and bring your leg back to a starting position. Single arm bicep curls. You will step on top of the band. Make sure you grab it with one arm nice and tight. Don't bend your wrist. Elbow stays locked in the same position. Bend your arm, curl it up, and exhale on top. Inhale when your arm is fully extended, and then exhale on top. You may repeat the same motion on the other side, anywhere from 20 to 30 reps on each side. The next exercise is single arm tricep pushdowns. Attach the band, grab it with one arm, make sure your elbow is locked, don't move it, extend your arm, exhaling, and squeeze your tricep when your arm is fully extended. My position is slightly lean forward, soften your knees. You may also add some pausing in between every fifth rep, anywhere from 5 to 10 seconds. And finally, the last exercise in this tutorial, low tricep kickbacks. Keep your spine neutral, lean forward, keep your knees soft, elbow is high and locked in the same position. Pull the band backwards as much as you can, fully extend your arm, squeeze your tricep, and exhale. You may add some pausing as well, anywhere from 5 to 10 seconds. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial video. Your support means the world to us. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your favorite channel, Lilith Kazan. Until the next time, bye-bye!